Hey, man. Welcome back. Here we go again. This is my boy Miles. Started with me new.
How's it going?
He's learning. He just talks a lot now. Y'all hear him talking. You give me hit the mute button. All right, but here we go. We're going to put a dash on a club car. Nah, he's a good kid, man. He's learning. He's eager to learn, man. That's all that matters, man. A lot of people don't even want to work, more or less learn how to do it. We're going to put this on. It says Club Car President. This is the Club Car Onward. But it works. Yeah, open it up, Mike. His name is Mike.
That's what they call me.
Man, last night he caught a fish. It was 37 foot long.
Golly.
37 foot long for a fish. And then he realized he was on the toilet, so it didn't work. All right. All right, man, here we go. I'm going to show you how to do it. Let's see here. First thing you want to do, a T25. You got 4 screws. All right, you got one, 2, 3, 4. Uno, dos, tres, cuatros. All right, man, why did the chicken cross the road, man? I want y'all to put in the comments. I'm gonna say he done it to probably try to get some money. We'll see what y'all say. All right, you take it. Now what I do, man, because I think it's easier in my eyes, is I take a Dremel tool, and if you look here, these right here are what actually goes on top of this. It locks them in. I take them and cut them off. So I think not cut them off, just kind of trim them down. I think it makes it easier to put the dash in. Don't try it in the home now, it's dangerous. Alright, now I just take and trim a little piece off of it. Don't do too much on it. I cut about that much off of it. Remember now, put in the comments, man, why did the chicken cross the road? We're gonna start doing it every video, do something new. Alright, I want to hear some of the answers y'all come up with. What do you think, Mike? Why did chicken cross the road?
You don't want to know why I think he crossed the road. That might not be channel appropriate.
Yeah, no kidding, ain't it? Might be bad. You trying to say it might be a woman over? You might be a woman over there. I got you, Mike.
Yeah, might be trying to catch an egg.
All right, then you take it, you push it. If you look right here, line it up. It's indented out. Put it on there. All right, you take it here and try to pick up on the dash a little bit. And then once you get it picked up a little bit, you can pop her in. Now imagine if I didn't cut the tabs off, how hard it would be to put on there. So if anybody tells you that a Club Car President dash won't work on the Onward, just tell them to go to YouTube and comment why the chicken crossed the road, all right? All right. Now down here, if you look at it, let's see. Look at the dash, there's 2 holes there. They come with push rivets. Where's the hardware at? Let's see. They come with push rivets, or as we call them here, Christmas tree rivets, because the shape of them. You take them and pop them in here. And my question, why did the chicken cross the road? My answer, because he had to put these damn rivets in. So he said, hell with this, and left, because they're a pain in the butt, man. All right, so you want to take them and line it up with the hole here. You see, they're already painted the butt already. All right. So what we're going to do, we're going to do away with these and just put a bolt and a washer. All right. Let's see this kind of dash here. Yep, see that? If you look at it on this side, you probably won't be able to see it. It's got a little, so I can get it. There you go, see that hole there? That's for this, where you put a, just maybe put a screw here so it holds it from doing this. And then all you do there, next you take the dash, just like that, man. Put your pop the bolts back in, and you're ready to go, man. All right, man. Stay tuned. I'll post some more.